Hello. Hello, my listeners. You saw my farmers. You see the poultry farms. You see how big the poultry are. You can see, and as you can saw this one. Look at the tail, look at the head. Poultry farm. It's fancy poultry farm. And you know how much we believe you know. Kayilbe kaba bilma. Tanyam nyama nya. G-bwoyFunzy nya. Yam yila. Ngona aka cho tali pa ka walandi. Nzonga tita man ko 50 billion. Yam poultry farm. The poultry are crying. The poultry are crying. See the poultry farm. As you can hear, the poultry. See my poultry. Let's go and you will see them. As you can saw, afanyangwa wanje zobo. Ami ulambala. Afanyangwa abanje zobo. And these are the small ones. We call them alifu. Poultry of alifu. You can saw as you can saw them. Real poultry. As you can saw them. Real poultry. You can saw poultry. Fancy poultry farm. So if they town side where you want hen or cow or any type of animal to bought, you came here, I will sell them, give you easy money. Buy one, get two free. G-bwoyFunzy says so. Buy one poultry, get two free. Cause the poultry ma zoya. As you can saw the cows. The cows are standing ticking. Yam na anwa yila ka yilbe. As you can saw them. And the poultry farmers. As you can saw them, they've been crying here and there. Yeah. So as you can hear, you saw. So problem no day. Come make you make a business. So how can I get a bad job? So I'll take them to farm on 7th March 2016. I will take them to the farm. Even these cows, I will take them to the farm 2016 on the 16th of August to sold them. Yeah, cause we need business. This economy of hardship. If you don't farm, you no got money. I dey farm my poultry. As you can saw the hens, the cows. Can make you make business. Exhilarate comedy. The standing by exhilarator. You can saw the cows. You saw the farm. Saw the cock. So you can hear them crying. And even the small chicks did there. G-bwoyFunzy says so. The standing by accelerator. We saw the cows. The cows did it. Them are crying.